Your corporate governance documents are extremely important for legal liability protection when running your business. For an LLC, that's an operating agreement, and for a corporation, that would be your bylaws. The reason these governing documents are so important is they form one of the primary layers of legal protection to prevent something called piercing the corporate veil. Piercing the corporate veil is when someone who wants to sue the company that you own tries to get access to your personal assets. One of the first things that the courts look at in determining whether the company has legal liability protection is your original governance documents, such as your operating agreement and your bylaws. Whenever you're deciding whether to form an LLC, a corporation, or some other business structure, often depends on two primary factors. The first is the size of the ownership group, and the second is the complexity of the business. The larger the ownership group, the more likely I am to recommend that clients pursue a corporation or some other form of partnership model. The smaller the ownership group, the more likely that an LLC is a good fit. Similarly, when you have a more complex business with more levels of management and more layers of leadership, often the formality of a corporation with bylaws, shareholders, boards of directors, and formal officer roles can be really helpful to run the company well and manage it effectively. When a business is a little bit less complex with smaller teams of management and leadership, an LLC is often the best fit.